Not yet over. Christine Baumgartner plans to take Kevin Costner back to court? Kevin Costner scored a major legal victory against estranged wife Christine Baumgartner over 2 weeks ago. But a legal expert warned she might drag the Yellowstone star back to the court. Talking to Fox News Digital, the celebrity divorce lawyer, Christopher C. Melcher, said that despite a 4-month-long ugly court battle, the handbag designer could take her ex to the courtroom again by arguing that she was unsatisfied with the verdict. Unfortunately, we do see a lot of deals fall apart in divorce because people feel pressured to enter into them, and they often get buyer's remorse, the attorney suggested to the undisclosed terms of the agreed settlement. So I would not be surprised if we see Christine maybe coming back and saying, "I really don't like that deal, and I'd like to improve it," he warned. Before adding, "I hope for the sake of the family that he or she doesn't do that, but it could happen." Kevin and Christine married for 18 years after the latter filed for divorce, citing irreconcilable differences. The pair shares 3 children. Christine Baumgartner claims Kevin Costner filed multiple and conflicting proposals before settlement. Before Kevin Costner and Christine Baumgartner reached an agreement on their divorce, she claimed that her ex dragged out the process. In court documents obtained by Us Weekly, Baumgartner, 49, alleged that Costner, 68, made multiple and conflicting proposals which increased the pair's legal fees. On September 11, further settlement discussions commenced between the parties directly with Kevin sending Christine a letter outlining his proposal for resolution, the docs read. Christine was fully prepared to accept a proposal until a formal letter was received from Kevin's counsel on September 13 that revised the terms of the proposal. Baumgartner's lawyer revealed that they had been making substantial efforts to communicate with Costner's legal team in an attempt to come to a final resolution. The exes finalized their divorce on Tuesday, September 19, following their messy 4-month legal battle. Details of their settlement have not been made public. Following the news of their agreement, Baumgartner was spotted out and about in Montecito, California, as she ran some errands. The model was dressed casually in leggings and a long-sleeved shirt as she walked out of a local Trader Joe's store. Baumgartner initially filed for divorce from Costner in May after 19 years of marriage. The pair shares sons Caden, 16, and Hayes, 14, and daughter Grace, 12. Costner also shares daughters Annie, 39, and Lily, 36, and son Joe, 35, with ex-wife Cindy Silva and son Liam, 27, with ex-Bridget Rooney. Throughout their legal battle, Costner and Baumgartner have been at odds over child support and the terms of their prenuptial agreement. Baumgartner initially requested $248,000 per month in child support from Costner but temporarily received $129,755 per month. However, a judge ruled in favor of the actor over Baumgartner in September and set the payments at $63,209. Costner spoke out about his divorce following the hearing. "This is a horrible place to be, but this is where we're at," he said while noting he still cares about Baumgartner. "It feels so bad and we're talking about somebody I love on the other side. I just can't." While the twosome's divorce and child support cases are settled, they will return to court in November for a trial over their prenup. Kevin knows Christine is far from done, an insider exclusively shared with us earlier this month. He's relieved that step 1 has gone his way, but Christine is sure as hell not giving up on the overall war. Kevin Costner and Christine Baumgartner court docs show divorce is final, future court dates vacated. The former couple reached an amicable and mutually agreed upon resolution of all issues pertaining to their divorce proceedings, a rep previously told The Messenger. Kevin Costner and Christine Baumgartner have officially settled their divorce once and for all. While it was previously reported the former couple had come to a mutually agreed upon resolution, new court documents confirm their proceedings have reached a legal conclusion. According to docs filed Wednesday and obtained by The Messenger, the Costner/Baumgartner divorce is settled and all future dates were vacated for the previously planned November trial. Kevin and Christine Costner have come to an amicable and mutually agreed upon resolution of all issues pertaining to their divorce proceedings, a rep previously told The Messenger. Baumgartner previously alleged she may not have understood the prenuptial agreement. However, if she tries to object to the ruling again, she'll have to pay the actor over $1 million in addition to Costner's attorney's fees, TMZ reported. The former handbag designer reportedly agreed to the terms of a 3-page settlement letter several days ago. Additionally, the Yellowstone actor has been ordered to pay $63,209 a month in child support, a significant amount less than the $161,592 his estranged wife requested. Baumgartner initially filed for divorce in early May. The pair tied the knot at his Aspen, Colorado, ranch in 2004. They also share 3 children, sons Caden, 16, and Hayes, 14, and daughter Grace, 13. Meanwhile, Kevin Costner hosts star-studded fundraiser near his lavish $145 million Santa Barbara home, where he's presented with an award by Prince Harry after reaching amicable divorce settlement with ex Christine Baumgartner. Kevin Costner took on hosting duties for the star-studded Fall 1805 Live Festival on Friday. It was held at the Academy Award winner's $26 million oceanside polo field that's just a stone's throw away from his lavish $145 million Santa Barbara estate. The Yellowstone star, 68, who reached an amicable divorce settlement with estranged wife Christine Baumgartner, appeared to be in good spirits as he flashed a big smile at the event that drew celebrities as well as local police and firefighters. The flagship festival was headlined by Maroon 5 and helped raise funds to go towards supporting first responders throughout the county, per the official website. The Oscar winner was previously set to initially host the festivities with Baumgartner, but due to their recent split, he took on the big role. Costner was also given an honorary award during the event, which was presented by Prince Harry and wife, Meghan Markle, who were also in attendance. 1805 is an organization that was founded in 2018 and aims to raise proceeds for 3 of the first responder groups, including fire, police, as well as sheriff, throughout the county of Santa Barbara. Kevin's multi-million-dollar estate was a hot topic in the actor's recent divorce battle with ex Christine Baumgartner, who notably filed for divorce earlier in May. Earlier this week, the former couple came to an amicable settlement to end their divorce fight. However, they are due to back in court on Wednesday to make a few finalizations. The couple had been due to thrash it out over whether Baumgartner, 49, would be awarded $855,000 to pay her legal bills, something that has now been taken off the table. Nevertheless, the scheduled hearing is still due to go ahead, with Judge Thomas Anderold likely to be given details of the settlement prior to signing off on it. The warring couple made the shock announcement on Tuesday, saying in a statement, Kevin and Christine Costner have come to an amicable and mutually agreed on resolution of all issues pertaining to their divorce proceedings. According to TMZ, the agreement includes a bigger cash settlement for Baumgartner, who was originally to be paid a lump sum of $1.5 million and a year's worth of mortgage payments towards a home worth up to $1 million per their prenuptial agreement. The new settlement is likely to be similar to the one previously offered by Costner in a letter sent on June 30th, which would have paid her $75,000 a month in child support. The mom of 3 rejected that, wanting child support set at $161,000 a month, only for the amount to be halved following a hearing at the start of September. Baumgartner had also wanted to challenge the prenuptial agreement with a trial over its validity due to take place in December, although that will no longer happen. The surprise settlement comes less than 2 weeks after Baumgartner vowed to fight on after a setback over child support that saw her temporary payments of $129,000 a month slashed in half to $63,000. In his decision, Judge Anderold said he approved the lower figure, which had been championed by Costner's team, because he believed the higher amount was disguised spousal support. On Tuesday, a friend told DailyMail.com that Baumgartner had agreed to settle because Costner has all the power. The friend explained, Christine didn't really have a choice but to settle because Kevin had all the power. Had she continued fighting, she would risk losing everything. Christine said it is what it is. That she won't miss going to court and having sleepless nights. She said for the kids it's a win because no child wants to go through this, let alone in public. She was the one who wanted to settle things outside of court in the first place. She never wanted any of this circus. It's been a living nightmare, and now she just wants to move on and start fresh and begin making her new house a home. Last week, Christine officially began moving her personal belongings to her $40,000 a month rental in Santa Barbara. She moved to the new temporary, luxury rental home after she was ordered to vacate their $145 million California compound, and has previously claimed that the new place of residence isn't good enough for her family. The spacious house notably sits on 1 acre of land and has an assortment of amenities, such as a jacuzzi, and is also located next to a wooded hiking trail. A large truck and movers were seen parked outside of the residence as they started to unload Christine's furniture and other items. Christine had argued in a recent court hearing with her ex, Kevin, also in attendance, that the Oscar winner's beachfront mansion was far more superior to her own $40,000 a month rental. While the home has 4 bedrooms, picturesque gardens, custom-designed interiors, a swimming pool and a pool house, she explained that guests would still have to go to the main home to use the shower. Baumgartner claimed that in the rental home, her 2 sons would have to share a bathroom while her daughter will share hers with the house. During the course of their nearly 19-year marriage, the dances with Wolf star and his estranged wife welcomed children, Caden, 16, Hayes, 14, and Grace, 13. She further argued during the court hearing that she wanted her children to have a comparable lifestyle that they had before the separation. In his testimony, Costner said the property was comparable to his own luxury home and nearby Carpinteria, and said it even has features he would like in his own house. The court also heard details of the family's lavish spending, which totaled $240,000 a month in 2022.